Seeing as we're not going anywhere exotic or exciting this month, I thought I would do a quick look in to see kind of what we take with us on a day out. So we're heading over to Glasgow, and this is Leo's bag. So what have you got in your bag?
In my pocket I have chopsticks, a gig ticket, a book of random stupidity which I write in, a couple of patches from Bob which I've still not taken out, and antihistamines.
Because you suffer with hay fever, don't you?
Yes.
So yeah, it makes sense to take antihistamines as we're sitting on grass.
Yes.
Please continue.
Yay! In the bag itself proper, hoodie which I really did not need at all.
On a day like this.
Yeah.
Look at that. You don't really need it on a day like this, but there we go.
Right. My Starbucks reusable cup.
Yep.
Complete with Godzilla kanji. He's my boy. Yeah, because reduce waste. Do good. More antihistamines because hay fever. The travel chopstick and fork and spoon set. I don't know what I've done with my straw. I have wrapped up neatly, courtesy of your good self, a massage bar from Lush which we bought today, and in here is the travel essential of...
This you take everywhere with you, don't you?
Yeah, headphones, earplugs, and USB battery pack and cables.
Yeah, you have loads of stuff in there, so anything that needs charging, you've got literally everything.
The wherewithal to charge.
So that is Leo's bag. This is my bag here. We're supposed to take our kind of little bags with us. So in mine, I've not got anything in the front of mine, but inside I've got my wallet, because, you know, kind of essential. A water bottle, because while we could take one each, it makes sense to just take one and just keep refilling it, because in that way, because they get quite heavy.
Yeah.
What's that, half? That's a litre, isn't it?
Half a litre?
So it gets quite heavy. I've also got my Starbucks, just wait for that truck to go past, my Starbucks cup, so that when we want something hot, we can do that with that truck banging around in the background still. I've also got my cutlery and a straw, so that if we do want to drink, you know, well, at least one of us has a straw. I know where yours is. It's in the kitchen. There you go. A tote bag, my Anti-Nowhere League punk tote bag.
Yay.
Just in case we end up buying stuff and we want to, and we don't have room in either of our bags, so we've got that. I've got a very thin jumper because we're in the summer here, and as I said, it is beautiful out today, so I've got a thin jumper there just in case, you know, because sometimes it does tend to rain in Scotland. What else have I got? I bought myself some headphones while I was out and about because my other ones broke. $14.99 instead of $80. Bargain. So normally I would have these kind of in a little carry case in my bag, but this time I've got new ones because I've only just bought them. What else have I got? A handkerchief because hay fever. Yep. And also because it means that you can wrap things up. So this is from Lush. I'm trying to do this one-handed. There we go. So it means that we have a Lush bar that is wrapped up and it's kept a bit safe. So if it does melt in this heat, it kind of goes into this rather than
all over my obituary hoodie.
All over your hoodie. So that's for you. And I've got one as well. And last but not least, I've got these. Now, I've got a large tub. I'm trying to do everything one-handed. I've got a large tub here with a little tub inside and two little ones, because when you go out to eat, you know, you might not eat it all. Leftovers or leftover sauce, or you might want to buy some food. This way you can do it with a bit less waste, and train picnics and stuff like that. So yeah. That is what is in our bags when we have headed out for the day to Glasgow. Complete with shopping. Headphones. Woo! So yeah, there you go. for more packing videos and things. You know, we've got loads of videos there, so don't forget to subscribe, give us a like and all that fun stuff, and yeah, we will see you again soon.